What's good, Bass Drop Militia? Bass Drop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Reese's no-bake peanut butter pie. So let's go ahead and get into this. Here we go, guys. Let's do it. So guys, this recipe is a very easy recipe. It is straight and to the point. As always, if you want to know the exact measurements and all the ingredients that we're using, go ahead and click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to my cannabis food blog, goodeats420.com, and I will show you everything right there. We're going to start by putting our cream cheese and our peanut butter in a mixing bowl. We're going to cream it together with our hand mixer right here. It's very easy to do. Once you do that, you're going to add in your confection sugar or your powdered sugar and go ahead and mix that together until it's well blended. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually medicate this, and we're going to do that by using our can of oil. Now, if you don't want to medicate your pie, just leave this ingredient out and you can make a fantastic pie. But we're going to go ahead and put in our can of oil and mix it all together. Very nice. Now, this is a no-bake Reese's cup peanut butter pie. So what we're going to do is you're going to take 15 Reese's cups and you're going to cut them up into smaller pieces and actually put them inside of the mixture and mix it all together so that we have the Reese's cups inside the mixture itself. Now, once you do that, what we're going to do is we're going to actually take our Cool Whip that we have. This is a 8-ounce container. You're going to take half of it, put it inside the mixture, mix everything together until it's well blended. Now, once you have everything together, what we're going to do is we're going to take our graham cracker crust. Now, you don't have to use graham cracker. You can use chocolate or shortbread, whatever one that you want to use. It's up to you. Be creative, but we're going to use our graham cracker crust right here. And you're going to spoon the mixture inside of here and make sure it's even on top of it. Now, once you do that, you're going to take your additional 5 Reese's peanut butter cups and cut them up. And you're going to garnish the top of this. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do this. If you want to, you can take that remaining Cool Whip that you have and actually put it on the top and then garnish it with the peanut butter cups. What I like to do is I actually like to put the peanut butter cups directly on the mixture itself. And then whenever you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours and let it chill, or you can let it, chill overnight. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and take it out and cut it into, whatever pieces that we're gonna cut it into. And then as we're eating it, cut out a piece, put it on the plate, and then take the Cool Whip and actually put it on top of it then. That's the way that I like to do it. But it's totally optional and it's totally up to you. So that's basically it. This particular recipe is straightforward. Just make sure that you do let the pie chill for at least 2 hours. I advise to do it overnight, but as long as you do it for 2 hours, it's going to set up the way it needs to set up. Go ahead and slice it up. Like I said, we're slicing ours, and then I will actually put the Cool Whip on top of my pie as I'm eating it. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for supporting. Make sure that you check out all the other videos that I have in the Good Eats 420 playlist. A lot of great videos are right there. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. It really does help. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see medicated, please let me know as well. So guys, thank you so much. Until next time, peace and good eats.